Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to get unbanned in Discord server. Let's get started. In order to do that, let me just first demonstrate you how to ban someone. So for example, let's ban this YAG PDB XYZ. So let's right click on them, and in here you can see some options like for example this block and also some mod views, timeout, and ban. So click on this ban right here. And then in here, you can choose the reason for ban. So click on ban right here once you have chosen. And as you can see, they will be removed on your list. Now, if you want to unban them, just click on this arrow down button just beside your server name. And then click on this server settings. Now, from in here, scroll down until you can find moderation. And under that, you can see bans. So click on that. And you can see in here all of the people or users that you have banned. So what you can do is you can head over and click on them. Click on this revoke ban. As you can see, the ban on them has been removed, so you can exit that and they should be able to rejoin your server again. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment them down below and we'll try our best to answer. Thanks.